What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Gala. BTC is currently breaking the 49K high, which we were predicting on the channel. We had a lot of doubters, but Elliott wave strikes again. So we're sitting at 0.02397, down 0.073 on the day. Market cap 664 million, 25 volume 42 million. So as we can see, perfect reaction from our wave 4 pullback zone. So when you see me put in these pullback zones, guys, those are good areas to enter trades. As you can see, Gala is starting to shoot up. So I can give you a wave 5 target. What you would do, take a trend-based fib extension from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3 to the bottom of 4. And for the wave 5, you would target the 61.8. It can overextend, but that would be your normal target, 0.02512. And complete that larger wave 3. Pull back. Where the hell is the 4? Pull back in a wave 4. Continue up in a wave 5. We're in multiple Gala trades. We have 3 ongoing Gala trades that are all doing well, as well as Solana is in profits. We have trades for VeChain, XRP, multiple Forex trades. My signals are $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon. Best $10 you'll ever spend in your entire life. As you can see here, we broke out beautifully from this falling wedge as we've been forecasting. Back above the 20 EMA. So now what we want to see is to get back above this blue line, which is a 55. Get back above those EMAs, hold them, see you later. We're going to see continuation to the upside. This is one of our trades. We have another short-term trade, which is open, as well as another swing trade for our friend Gala. That's what I'm expecting, get back above the EMAs. See continuation, a little something like this. Impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. That's what I'm looking at for Gala. Beautiful time to enter as an investor in this wave 2 pullback zone. This is the bear market bottom. You had your first impulse to the upside. This is the prime time to get in as an investor and hold for the long term. Gala is my largest investment. My break even is around 0.035. So I'm very excited to see us go to $1 and potentially beyond. A lot of people don't believe that, but they don't know much about crypto. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at for Gala Games. I would expect at least 0.02512 in this wave 5, but it can overextend. As I mentioned, we're in multiple Gala trades. We're in Solana, VeChain, XRP, multiple Forex trades, doing really well trading Forex as well. $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon link. Best $10 you'll ever spend. My Bittinix, sign up to Bittinix. No KYC, no VPN all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange. Grab those bonuses and yeah, join my VIP rooms, guys. My daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups for crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, Forex day trades. All right, guys, all for $10. Sign up to the Patreon. I do recommend checking it out. We have over 2,600 members in the Discord. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.